Today I'm going to show you how to do an activating strategy and also what the expectations are. So here I am in Nearpod and I have an example for us. You can see it's an activating strategy, it says right there. What an activating strategy is we're going to do it at the beginning of math, and it's just to kind of get our brains working and thinking about numbers. So right here, this is what's called an estimation 180. I can see right here that says estimation 180, and what that means, what we're going to be doing is estimating something. So let's read it. It says about how many zero circles will go around the perimeter of the inner square. So I have these little Cheerios here, and I want to know how many of those it's going to take to go around this inner square. So I have a number line right here, and I have to estimate. I need a low estimate, a high estimate, and then what I actually think that it is. So you have some tools down here, and also before I show you this, I want you to know that your teacher can see everything that you draw or type on here. So you have a pen tool, you have a highlighter, you can actually upload a picture, you can type, and then you can erase. So I'm going to use my pencil tool. I'm going to make it a little bit smaller. So I can see that there's one right here. I'm going to estimate that maybe just one side has about 10 pieces of cereal, so I'm going to have a low estimate of 10. I'm not going to just say 1 because that's not really reasonable. I know that it's going to be more than 1, but I still know that it's going to be more than 10 just based on this picture. So since I'm thinking it's going to be about 10 per side, I'm going to have a high estimate. If there was 10 per side, that'd be 10, 20, 30, 40. So maybe I would have a high estimate of about 75, and then my actual estimate needs to be somewhere in the middle. So I'm going to say about somewhere around 40 is going to be my estimate. So this is what I'm thinking it's going to be. And then once we go through it each day, you'll also get to see the answer. So in this example, the answer is actually 32. So my answer was pretty close. I was 8 away. It fell in between the low and the high estimate. You're also going to have a problem of the day in which you're going to answer it down here. So the problem of the day for today, this is actually a second grade review question, so everybody should understand how to solve this. It says Samantha is packing for summer vacation. She puts her shorts out on the bed. Write a number sentence that shows how many shorts Samantha is taking on vacation. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to use my highlighter tool to highlight what it's actually asking. So it says write a number sentence. So I know it doesn't want just an answer. It wants a number sentence. That doesn't mean I'm going to type out a sentence with capital letters, punctuation, everything like that. A number sentence is like an addition sentence, subtraction sentence, something like that. So I'm going to use my text tool. I'm going to drag it over here. I'm going to actually type this one out. So I can see that there's 3 shorts, 3 shorts, 3 shorts, 3 shorts, and 3 shorts. So I know that that's going to be 3 plus, so that's 3 right here, plus another 3 right there, plus 3, plus 3, and then plus 3 again. And that's going to equal, let's see, so 3 plus 3 is 6, plus another 3 is 9, plus another 3 is 12, plus another 3 is 15. So my number sentence would be right here, and to get out of the text box, you would just click something else on here, and then it leaves it right there. So my number sentence says 3 plus 3 plus 3 plus 3 plus 3 plus 3 equals 15, which matches that. So now that you've seen what the expectations are, I want you to click and go to the next page, and it will give you an opportunity to do an activating strategy on your own. Remember, anytime you see a video, make sure you watch the whole thing, and remember that your teacher can see everything that you do, and always do your best on these.